Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the Connect application to wirelessly project things from other devices like phone to your. So for example, now let's try checking if I have it here now. So as you can see, coming to my start menu and checking if I don't have the Connect option. So if you are seeing something like this that you don't have the Connect option, you can just follow steps I'm going to get Connect application here. So first, come to your Windows search option. You can use Windows key plus S also to get here. Then search for optional features. So you see add an optional feature and click on okay. So under the optional features, then you also click on this add a video. Then look for the wireless display option. Let's look for the wireless. So this is the wireless display option. Click on it and click on install. So it's going to be installed shortly. So make sure you have an active running internet connection in order for you to get wireless display feature installed on your system. Alright guys, it is done being installed on my PC. So you just have to go back to the start menu and check for the connect application. Let's close it and go to my start menu. So from my start menu now, you will see that I now have the connect application here on my PC. So this is just how you can easily get it if you can't find it on your. So if you find this video very helpful, do not forget to like and give a subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.